Hello students and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Kudaleshwar Smart Academy, and today we'll study us form. Us is to be form in Sanskrit. In English, to be forms you are knowing very well. Am is are, was were, be being been. Maybe you are knowing very well. Am is are belong to present tense, was were belong to past tense, and be being been. Be, this form has different usages, means in future tense also it is used, means we say he will be there, be is there, or we also say be present tomorrow, like this also we say. Understood na? So be is generally first form, means infinitive past tense, past perfect. Understood na? For example, to go, went, gone. To go is infinitive, went past tense, and gone past perfect form or participle, past participle it is. Understood na? So to be is like to go. Then being is progressive form, ing is added, so progressive continuous form. And been, B-double-E-N, it is perfect form. In passive voice it is utilized when any auxiliary is used. For example, means other examples also I am telling. It has been raining, we say. It had been raining, we say. Understood, no? Or if any active voice is there and already one auxiliary is utilized in that. For example, he has read the book. This sentence is that he has read the book. Understood, no? So has auxiliary, read, it is main verb. Understood, no? And it is third form, to read, read, read. Knowing, na? So when passive voice of this sentence you make, active voice is he has read the book. Then passive voice you make like this, na? The book or a book, whatever is the. Understood, no? Has been read by him. Like this only, na? Passive voice you make. So in passive voice, been is utilized because it is perfect form. So in Sanskrit, how to be forms are they? Understood? In Sanskrit also to be forms are they. To be means only us is there. Understood? No? Us means to be. And it is related to second class. Second class means you understood, no? Total dhatavaha or roots of Sanskrit are divided into 10 classes. In standard 8 4 classes are there. Prathamaha ganaha, Chaturthaha ganaha, Shashtaha ganaha, and Dashamaha ganaha. Particular vikrans are there, na? A, ya, a, understood, no? So like this only related to other classes. Which classes remained means Dvitiyaha ganaha, Tritiyaha ganaha, Panchamaha ganaha, Saptamaha ganaha, Ashtamaha, Navamaha. So these remaining classes are there, na? Those classes are included in second group. Understood? And this is Dvitiyaha ganaha. Dvitiyaha ganaha belongs to second group. In further means standard 9th or 10th you will study these topics. Understood? So us to be form. This is 2 means Dvitiyaha ganaha, and papa is written. Papa means you understood, no? Parasmay padinaha. So latlakar parasmay padinaha endings you are knowing very well. Mi, vaha, maha, uttamaha, purushaha. Si, thaha, madhyamaha purushaha, and ti, taha, anti, prathamaha purushaha. Same endings are added because it is parasmay padinaha. And latlakar we are discussing present tense. Understood, no? So in English, us to be form only. Then English to be forms lat lakar present tense, am, is, are. Understood? So the same forms are there with pronouns. I'll tell you. Simple clauses only we will make. Okay. So uttamaha purushaha si asmi swaha smaha. मध्यमः पुरुषः असि स्थः स्थ and prathamah purushah asti stah santi. Okay, these are to be forms, present tense, am, is, are. Then one pronoun we will use here before. Uttamah purushah sarvanaman you are knowing very well. Aham, avam, vayam. So aham asmi. In English you are knowing I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So if I is there, then which to be form in present tense you will use I am, we are, you are, he, she, it is, they are. Understood? No, the same in Sanskrit. Aham asmi. Aham means I am, aham asmi. Avam swaha, dvivachanam, na? So we both are. Vayam smaha, we all are. Understood? Then tvam asi, you are. Yuvam sthaha, you both are. Yuyam stha, you all are. Then saha taute pullingam you can use. Sate taha strilingam you can use. Tatte tani napusakalingam you can use. Any you can use. Saha asti, tau staha, te santi. Sa asti, sa te staha, taha santi. Then tat asti, te staha, tani santi. Any you can use, any gender. So saha I am using here. Saha asti. He is, na? Understood, no? He is, she is, it is. Okay? Then saha tau, tau staha. They both, dvivachanam, they both are. And saha tau te santi, they all are. Boys, pullingam. Strilingam also you can use. Napusakalingam also you can use. So us to be formed in Sanskrit, present tense forms. Understood? So remaining topic in next video. So like my video, share it and subscribe it. Okay, subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.